Hey everyone, Vision Auto Works here. We have a Honda Civic 9th generation coupe. This is the facelift model. Headlight package finished up today. Customer chose to have the internals blacked out, so we painted all the low and high beam reflectors a satin black finish. The projectors are the Mini H1 by Xenon. Shrouds are the Mini Turbine. And we also added a set of profile Prism RGB halos mounted on the face of the shrouds. These are Bluetooth controlled via app. So iOS or Android, you'll have an app. Multiple different color cycling modes. This is the one we always default to when we're taking video, but there are other options. And of course, you can set a static color as well. Now, the RGB products also have switchback built in, so if you choose to wire that, every time you hit the turn signals, the halos will go to blinking amber and then go back to whatever color or mode you have it set to. Now, this whole package comes with a Morimoto HID kit with a relay harness, so everything ready to plug and play out of the box. And it is 100% reversible if you need to return back to stock. You can order a package like this on our website, visionautoworks.com. You can add all the modifications you want. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call or an email, reach out to us, and someone will be there to help you. Thanks.